Okay, good morning everyone. So today we're going to be learning about eukaryotic cells again. Yesterday we learned about the animal cells, but today we're going to learn about plant cells. This is what we're going to be doing today. Plant cells. Now before we go to plant cells, let's just review what we took about animal cells. Okay, first of all, we took that eukaryotic cells have a mitochondria that is not there in the prokaryotic cell, and the mitochondria is the powerhouse because it gives the cell energy to do any activity, to do any of its movements, to do anything. The mitochondria gives it energy. Okay, we said that ribosomes, they make proteins. They are here on this blue part. You don't see them very well in this picture, but they're actually on this blue part. The cell membrane protects it, and also controls what goes in and what comes out. The cytoplasm is this jelly part, okay, that that everything is inside. It's a jelly-like substance where all the organelles are inside. It's called the cytoplasm. So we already know all of these, and we said that the genetic material is inside something called a nucleus. Okay, the genetic material is inside the nucleus. So the DNA is inside the nucleus. That's important. Okay, I should have put that also. I'm going to change the PowerPoint that I'm going to put there. This also should have been in yellow because this is not, nucleus is not inside the prokaryotic cell. Okay. All right, now we already know what a nucleus is. It's in the center. It has the genetic material, and it's only in eukaryotic cells. Okay, next. This is the eukaryotic plant cell, and that's what we have to focus on today. This is the plant cell. Now, the plant cell has all the stuff that the animal cell has, all the same, except it has 3 extra stuff. So I'm going to go and show you here the three extra stuff. Okay, these are 3 extra. They are extra. These 3 are extra in the plant cell. So the plant cell does have a nucleus just like the animal cell, which has the DNA inside. It does have a mitochondria, see, which is a powerhouse. It has the ribosomes in here. It has a cell membrane. You see, this is the cell membrane. But it has 3 extra stuff. That's what you need to know. Now, what are these 3 extra stuff? First one is called vacuole. A vacuole is this big sac. It usually is a storage bubble. Okay, it stores food, nutrients, water, waste. Okay, everything is stored in here. It's called a vacuole. Okay, the vacuole is present in the animal cell, and it's in the plant cell, and it's really big. In the animal cell, you might not see it. It's really it's not present in the animal cell. It's present in the plant cell. No, this is a mistake. We should have said plant here. I'll change it in the PowerPoint. So these are the extra stuff in the plant cell. Okay. So you have the vacuole. You have a chloroplast. What are chloroplasts? Chloroplasts are these green things. They are what give the plant a green color. You see green leaves most of the time. You see green grass. All of this come from chloroplasts. Chloroplasts give plants the green color. Okay? They give the plant the green color, but they also capture energy from the sun to make food for the plant. Now, you as a human being or animals, they actually eat food. Okay, they eat food in order to grow and have energy. So we eat food, animals eat food, but plants, they don't eat food. Plants make their own food by using water and sunlight. They make their own food. Who makes this food? The chloroplast. Okay, so the chloroplast gives them the green color, and it turns energy from sunlight into food. It takes the energy from the sun and the energy from the water, and it turns it into food. Okay, so this is the chloroplast. Okay, sorry. Now the last thing in the plant cell is the cell wall. Okay, we have a cell wall in prokaryotic cells, but we don't have a cell wall in the animal cells. The animal cells do not have cell wall. So this cell wall, it gives it shape and support just like the one in the prokaryotic cell. Okay, so the animal cell, you see, if you go here, as a plant cell, that's the animal cell. See, the plant cell has a cell wall, chloroplast, and vacuoles, but the animal cell does not have any of those. They share all of this together. It's the same, but the plant has extra 3: cell wall, chloroplast, and vacuole. Okay, that's all you have to know about the plant cells. Okay, that they have the very important chloroplast makes food for the plant. Now I want to show you something. See, this is the cell wall. Oh, I want to show you something. You have to know the difference between cell wall. You see, the cell wall is on the outside. Okay, cell membrane is on the inside. Okay, you have to remember that. Now I want you to see something. So we talked about all of these. See, prokaryotic cells, okay, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So revision. In prokaryotic cells, the DNA, which is the genetic material, is floating inside the cytoplasm. See, is flowing freely in the cytoplasm in the prokaryotic cell. But in the eukaryotic cell, it's inside a nucleus. Okay, so you have to know this. They're showing you the difference here. Okay, DNA here, prokaryotic, just flowing, eukaryotic inside a nucleus. Okay, please remember that. That's very important. Okay, this is the lesson glossary, and I kept these 3 pictures at the back here so that you can use them to study. Okay, and I'm just yeah, you can use these 3 pictures to study from. It's very important, and this is also very important to know. Okay, that's it for this lesson, and please do the activities. If you have any questions, ask.